Lamborghini, a company known for look-at-me styling paired with truly glorious engine notes, is adding more electrification to its lineup. I've told you about the recently debuted plug-in Urus SE, the wild 1001 horsepower Revuelto. Let's try that again. Revuelto features a plug-in hybrid V12 powertrain. And now comes word that the replacement for the Huracan will also get a bit of a jolt to go along with the gas-drinking side of the equation. Fans of noise should fear not, though, as this thing spins to the moon and should sing a truly amazing song. The upcoming Huracan replacement has no publicly revealed name yet. It's just referred to as 634. Well, I don't know what to call it beyond that. I do know that I'm pretty damn excited to hear its powertrain at full tilt. That's because Lamborghini will utilize a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that revs all the way up to 10,000 RPM. The peak horsepower figure of just under 740 lives between 9,000 and 9,750 RPM. Max torque, however, lives down between 4,000 and 7,000 RPM and is rated at just under 540 pound-feet. This thing will be a screamer. In fact, once someone builds the first aftermarket exhaust for one of these, I bet it sounds like an older F1 car. Helping with that sound is the fact this engine uses a flat plane crankshaft, so not only does it rev to the moon, it should do so quickly and smoothly. Lamborghini will employ a trio of electric motors under the skin of 634. One of those sits between the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox and the Screamer V8. On its own, it produces just under 150 horsepower and a tick over 220 pound-feet of torque. Imagine tossing one of those into the nose of a Civic. That could be a fun little ripper. Getting back to this Lambo though, the upcoming Huracan replacement will join the 789 horsepower having Urus SE and the 1001 horsepower Revuelto. Lamborghini hasn't shared the total output figure for car 634 just yet, but I expect it to land somewhere above the Urus and below the Revuelto, but potentially not that far below. We still need to learn more about the battery pack, the charging time, and the range, of course, but I'm not certain that these figures are high on the care list for those already hand-raising and waving cash to buy this car. And you know, Lamborghini already has a bunch of these sold before the world has even seen it, before we even know what to call it. I know what I'm going to call it, though. Awesome. This thing sounds like it's going to be absolutely awesome, and it's set to debut sometime during 2024. If I were taking bets, I'd place the time of that debut to happen sometime around Pebble Beach in August.